How's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw Bluey and Jack Skellington mixed as one character. You're really going to like this, so stick around and let's get started. How's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw a mixture of Bluey and Jack Skellington mixed as one character, okay? So let's get started. We're going to go over here and start pretty quickly by putting the top part of Bluey's snout, right? Like the nose. Curve along the edge, down, and pull back here. Sounds good. We're gonna go right here. Bluey has kind of like an egg shape to his eye, so we're gonna go over here, up, and put this egg shape right there. Over here in the back, another egg shape in the back. So the difference here, right, we're doing a Jack Skellington style, is this going to be totally filled in. That's going to be completely filled in black. It's going to be more of like an eye socket, very similar to Jack Skellington. And we'll just do it real quick here. It's nothing crazy. By the way, if you're using these markers, please turn a fan on or go by a window. They're not really good for you, so you want to, be careful. Have these things in moderation, like the markers, right? You want to use them in an open space because they smell pretty bad, and they're not good for you. And we're going to go over here and draw a nostril, like a Jack Skellington nostril right there. Cool. Going to go over here. We're going to pull up on the far side of the head, curve around the corner here. Pull across like so. And curve down right here. Pulling a line right here for his mouth. But the far side of his head's going to come down right there. It's going to look like a block or something. We're going to pull it across right here. I want it to look, again, like Jack Skellington's skull where he's bare and stuff. So we're going to add like a smile here. We're going to add some of those. Kind of looks like stitches, kind of, when Jack smiles. We do want to make him identifiable, so we're going to have a line up, down for one ear. I'm going to go over here, same thing. Straight line up and down over here for the other ear. And then inside of that, up, down. I'm going to fill it in. By the way, if you like this, please hit the like button. It helps a lot. It helps the channel a lot. Kind of helps the channel, the video go out more, and it helps me identify what you guys like. All right. Very cool, very cool. So let's go over here now, and we're gonna go and he has this thing on his chest. It looks like a bat. It's almost like a heart. Circle with an eye. And he has this, it's like a bow tie. And it goes way out right there. See it? It's like a little one, big one, and a little one back. Line down. Line down. And from this point, we're going to draw Bluey's kind of normal body. So we draw a line down here. Curve, curve, curve for his fingers. Right on. His body, he has a body shape of like a phone or something. Line across. And we're going to pull up over here. Line out for his hand on that side. I'll draw like a little thumb and a few of his fingers right there. Doing great so far. Like I said, you just want to like get something close enough. You don't want to have to like make it a ton of like harsh rules. You just want to vaguely, you know what I mean, kind of get it close, and close is good enough. Line over here, line over here. And we're gonna go down here for his legs, like so. Out, down, in, up. Out, down, in, up. Line across to the bottom right there. And we're going to have his toes, like so. Doing good. Let's put a V shape right here underneath this. because that's kind of the outfit that he has going on. Line over here. And we wanted to have a tail, so we're going to draw a line out and draw his usual Bluey tail. I'm a big Nightmare Before Christmas fan, so kind of doing this stuff is really, like, I don't know, fun and therapeutic. Line over here, downward, dot, dot. Okay, there's an important part of the look that we have to get done, and we're going to have to do this. So we're going to draw thick lines along the suit. You know, normally it's black. It's more black than white, so that's why I'm going to try to draw thicker lines if you can. I guess if you have a pencil, I think what you could do is you could fill the whole thing in and take little like an eraser and take little stripes out of it, you know. With marker, I would recommend leaning it on the side or just creating thicker lines and doing it that way. Like so. Right? I'm just going to keep it going along the entire length of it. There we go. Don't forget, leave a comment. I love to hear what you think. If there's like another mixture you want to see, or if there's anything you want to talk about, I will talk about it. I'm gonna really kind of reach out to the community a lot more than I normally do. So just kind of let me know. I'm gonna do the same thing down here with the legs. Okay. Then I'm gonna keep it going with the other leg, and I'm even going to do with the tail over here. There we go. If you don't know what to comment, comment what is your favorite holiday movie, whether it be Christmas or New Year's or I guess Halloween as well. Like, what's your favorite holiday movie? I can tell you mine. My favorite holiday movie is probably Scrooged. It's a movie with Bill Murray that came out in 1991. I think it's 1991, but somewhere around there. But we're gonna fill in the tie except for a line around the edge of it. But I love that movie. I can watch it forever. That's one of my favorite ones as far as just holidays go. Right on. And there you go. That is, well, we can kind of do the edge here. That is it. I want to thank you very much. That's a mixture of Bluey if you like it. Like I said, share the video if you can. Stay around. We're going to go over another drawing lesson together. So stick around. Let's go over another drawing lesson right now. Okay, so that was amazing. You finished this lesson, but keep it going. Keep the art practice going by clicking this video right here. It's going to be within the same theme, and you want to keep it rolling to get better and better and better and get that art flow going. So click right here.